Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 utility aluminum combo 36 foot 6 by 102. Folks, this is a beautiful unit. As you can see, the underside has been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. You can see all the way up underneath, all the cross members have been recoated. You rotate around to the kingpin plate and you can see it's in great condition, ready to come work for you. This particular unit has all brand new straps on the passenger side. As we get to the back end of the trailer, this closed tandem 225 rim, 90% tire, refurbed steel rim. As we come up underneath, you can see this unit does have a brand new air tank. Plumbing has all been gone through, and as we zoom across here, you can see brand new brake pads and drums. This air ride system is in excellent condition. As we get to the back here, folks, you can see our universal mounting kit. This will carry a Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, and many other brands. I rotate around here and you can see a Moffett in the background. You can visit us at 99lifts.com. Take a look at our available product ready to go today with hundreds of units listed and ready to go. Trucks, trailers, and Moffetts. As you can see, the driver's side, tire condition 80 to 90%. All new drums and brakes on this unit. Brand new buyer's toolbox. As we get to the front, I want to thank you for your time. This is Equipment Remarketing. You can reach us at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Take a look, see if there's a package we can put together for you. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.